Hi guys! Good morning! Hi mga low carber! Kain tayo ng brunch. Actually, kagigising lang namin ng anak ko at nilutuan ko siya ng egg and hotdog. I cook in ghee butter, cow ghee. It's a good fat. And also, meron akong baon na beef. Yan, niluto din yan sa cow ghee. So, good fat and high protein. And then, yan. So, kasi hindi ako nakagawa ng kimchi kagabi. So, I will do my salad, no? Like this one, rich in vitamin C and uh, yan, alkaline, yes, a lot. Cucumber, tomato, and bell pepper. And then, yes, my coffee. So, nag-coffee lang ako dahil already 12:35 na here. So, I put my butter, no? So, that's my routine every morning. Yan, I put a little bit butter. And also, before that, I drink, when I wake up, a little bit exercise and I drink my warm water with little pinch of salt. Tapos meron siyang cloves. Yan, binabad ko kagabi, tsaka cinnamon. Kung may anis ka, mas maganda. Para mabango and medyo matamis. So, that's it. Before I will take my breakfast. So, dahil nagkaroon ako ng inflammation, I can read my body. Nagkaroon ako ng pimples. So, napakain ako ng mga high carbs dahil nag-crave ako or may nagbigay sa akin na hindi ko mahindahan. So, ayan, nagkaroon ako ng pimples. Then, how to heal these pimples? Yes, I just do low my carbohydrates and fasting. That's it. So, gusto ko dahil Ramadan ngayon, I want to do fasting. Kahit kasi mayroon kaming gagawin and everybody fasting, bawal kumain sa labas or uminom. And so, babaunin ko na lang tong mga baon na to. Ito baon ng anak ko with little rice. Yan. Yung mga bata, pwede naman talaga silang mag low carb, but moderation yung mga nila, mga carbs para hindi nag-i-spike din yung mga nila, nagka-crush yung kanilang sugar. And we need knowledge, no? Para hindi sila nagkaka-allergy, flu, yan. Medyo magaling na ako, hindi na ako umuubo, hindi na ako makate, thank God. Kasi ako, water with lemon, with luya, pinakuluan ko. And then every day after kong kumain talaga, matik talaga sa akin ang turmeric powder with pinch of salt and pinch of black pepper para mag-boost yung level ng turmeric powder. Para, yan. So, almost 3 weeks din akong inubo, no? Ngayon lang ako gumaling. So, thank God kasi hindi talaga ako uminom ng mga antibiotic or para sa ubo, yan lang, mga herbal alternative medicine. So, dahil inaral ko yon, I am studying acupuncture and detoxing massage. I heal my body. I point the region of stomach and lung and gallbladder points. Yeah, GB 34, stomach 36, lung 9, LI4. This is the meridian points to activate the healing points for our body to autophagy. And plus yung kinain nating nutrition, no? Kasi all the meat, all the protein is anti-inflammation. They have a glutamine and the glutamine is good in our organ. Pagkain nila yon. And the best anti-inflammation is beef po. Yan. So, kain tayo niyan. Also, the fats, that's the good fat to activate our body, ketones and high protein. Lalo na kung meron tayong cancer, may hypertension, diabetes, wag po tayong matakot. You just cook little pinch of salt and black pepper. Tapos, i-air fryer nyo or iprito nyo siya sa cowghee, butter, or coconut oil, avocado oil, or lard, or tallow. Or what else? Butter. That is the uh, good fat, no? Mag-activate yun. Because that is the signal. Nagaantay lang yung, our body are waiting for the good signal in the morning. Like right now, I just drink my warm water with salt para hindi tumaas ang aking ang aking cortisone or aking insulin. So, ano siya, parang they are waiting. Today are storage mode or burning mode. Kasi kung in the morning breakfast, you are starting bread. This is 4 teaspoon of sugar, no? All bread. One lang one pieces or one slice ng bread na to. Kaya hindi ko siya kinakain kasi alam ko na magi-spike ang sugar ko. Pwede ko siya kainin after I eat my protein. Yan. Laging huli ang carb. Always last the carbs because this is the biology of our body, the chemistry that we need to eat actually fiber first or a probiotic for our guts. Pagkain nila yon. And any kind of probiotic like kimchi, kefir, iba-iba. Pickles, yan. Olives, yan. Lahat ng na-fermented at sara. And then, you will see you're very light, balance your appetite, correct your cortisone, your dopamine. Mararamdaman mo yun. And bonus na lang po talaga yung pagpayat. Pag alam nyo na po kung paano magbasa and paano mag-burning mode, that's why yung cosmos natin, nag-i-start siya, di ba, ng morning light, and hindi ka talaga nagugutom. Kasi yun talaga ang biology. Kahit nagtatrabaho ka ng mabigat, try. Okay lang mag-start ka kumain ng mga kung sanay ka kumain ng mga morning 7 a.m. Start ka ng egg, bacon, or yung mga tirang ulam kagabi ng mga adobo, sinigang, basta meat, no? Tapos, lalo na yung mga collagen, no? Collagen food, like yung mga bulalo, yung Adidas, yan. Let's help this one. That is the natural collagen, yung, lalo na yung bone marrow. That is, lalo na pag may sakit, hindi po nila kailangan ng fruits, no? Ang kailangan po nila, meat. Kasi, lalo na yung hirap kumain, ngumuya, dala nyo po sila ng mga bulalo or soup, ganon, bone marrow, ganon, or tadtadin nyo yung meat para makain nila, i-grind nyo. Kasi po yung soup po ng bone marrow, that is niacin, high protein, and collagen. Yun po ang papasok direct sa cells nila na yung inflammation bumaba. And the protein and good fat po nun, direct po yun sa cells para po mabilis silang gumaling. Ganun po ang, kasi po yung mga matatanda, they are muscle waste. Pumapayat po sila at hindi po nila nakakain yung mga nutrition need nilang kainin kasi nga nalilito tayo, no? Natuto tayo na pag may sakit, prutas, no, ubas, like that, apple, orange, that is high carbs. Bigyan niyo po sila ng avocado, coconut meat, ano pa, melon, watermelon, guava, berries, that is low carb vegetable. And fruits. And also for the vegetable, all vegetable above the land, we need to eat that kasi low po yun. And all high carb vegetable below the land. Kasi doon po nag-i-spike talaga yung sugar natin. Nalilito tayo sa high carb and low carb. So, aralin po natin yung low carb and yung mga protein, that is meat. Baboy, baka, itlog, chicken, fish, seafood, laham, moton, ano pa. Kahit pa yung laman loob, that is all high protein. That's our organ needs kasi we are carnivore. In our Asian tradition, hunter po sila ng meat and they are do fasting. So if we do that, we have a long life. And actually, the minimum protein a day is half kilo meat a day if you are 5'2". Pag matangkad ka pa, more than 120 grams a day, no? Because that is your deposit for your when you are 70, 86, 90, 100 years old, your muscle will be firm because the protein is a muscle blocks, that is amino acid, no? And that's our food to delay our aging and correct your appetite, lower your inflammation, heal your disease, and long life, no? And siyempre, samahan natin ng exercise. So, this is my baon, also my son. Yan. So, that's my food. Busog na po ako. Actually, nagdadalawang isip yung mind ko kung kakain ba ako. But, I want to start again my fasting kasi nasira yung balance ng routine ko ng kain. My eating open window is 3 to 10 p.m. Dahil nagbago yung time ngayon dahil Ramadan and that's something to do. Yes. Yeah. So I try my best na ayan kasi I know if you know you have inflammation and di mo siya alam gamutin, hindi mo alam you buy something cream or etc. And actually, nag-heal talaga siya if you eat more meat. Try nyo, listen to your body and you will see. Because I know I'm inflamed now. And alam ko tumaba din ako. Last week, ang payat ko. No, I'm 58 already. Now, tumataba ako. Parang umaakit na naman ako ng 60. Agad ko na yung target ko na 58. I need more, no? So, I want look young. I'm 47 years old. So, we'll see. No? So, ganun lang naman yung ano natin. Kasi nga, kapag more tayo sa high carb, yung insulin resistance natin, nag-up and down siya. So, yung katawan natin nagbabasa if storage mode today or burning mode. So, pag napaparami ang high carbs ko, I know, nag-i-spike yung sugar ko, kumikirot yung uric acid ko, yan. Yung magtataasan na lahat yan, mga cholesterol. And by the way, about nalilito kasi tayo, natatakot tayo kumain ng taba kasi tataas yung cholesterol natin. Normal po na mataas ang cholesterol natin. And dahil ang 80% po ng kinakain natin na high carbs, nag-i-spike po yung sugar, kaya tumataas po yung cholesterol. So, ang gagawin natin, moderate ang carbohydrates para mag-balance yung katawan natin. More high protein and high fat. Kasi po, dun po yung healing mode. Para mawala po yung, bumaba po yung cholesterol natin, yung uric acid natin.
His name is Ice?
So, that's the pinaka-formula. No, ganun po ginagawa ko. Then, nagfa-fasting po ako. So, I delay my brunch and moderate the carbohydrates. Ganun lang po. Then, you'll see your blood test will be normal. So, fasting lang po yan. And, before you do fasting, you need to understand the low carb. Mag-start ka muna ng low carb ng 2 weeks before ka mag-fasting. Kasi magsisignal naman yung katawan nyo. If you know the signal, yes, naghihintay lang po yung katawan natin for burning mode and healing mode. At gagaling po talaga tayo. And na-experience ko po to because I do experience for myself. I'm survival for my tumor. I have molar pregnancy because of my PCOS. And activating my healing mode for 7 weeks. No high carbs talaga. No carbohydrates. Na-continue ko po yun in 1 year. So, ayan, na-achieve ko na po yung aking weight, no?
Bye, guys!
And then, also, my son, Carlo, hello Carlo, he is milestone now. And for 1 year, keto diet, he lost 55 kilo. And I'm so happy because I know matatanggal na siya ng maintenance. Actually, wala talaga kaming budget dahil naghahanap ako ng work. And we are here in Abu Dhabi. And hopefully, natutunan ko ang low carb. Thank you for all Dr. Low Carb and other international doctors. I'm always listening you. And I understand and thank you po sa mga turo nyo kasi kahit I'm not a doctor, I'm a therapist and I know now the biology of the body. So we are AI now. So we need to a lots of study, no? Kahit tumatanda tayo, kailangan natin yun so that we live long life, no? And we need to share our knowledge, our community, no? Kasi I thank God na some of my clients from Jordan, in 6 months binalikan niya ako dito sa Abu Dhabi and she said nawala na yung diabetes niya. And the question is why is still the insulin resistance is still high? I said yes because you do your decades for high insulin resistance. Yan po yung mga kinakain nating puro high carbs. So, pag meron ka ng diabetes or fatty liver or cancer, hypertension, it means 10 years, 20 years kang too much high carbs. So to reverse that one, you need to low carb, no? Para mag-low inflammation, mag-correct yung blood test mo, and you will see the signal, mafe-feel mo naman siya. And we are not allowed to be obese. Yung mga Asian natin ang si sexy, 'di ba? 1960, 97 ang mga low carber po sila. At saka noon that time wala pa pong mga 7-Eleven. And you can get your food, pitas, ganun, magtanim, ganyan. And kasi ngayon very masyado ng high-tech, no? Alam ko sa after more 20 years, 30 years, robotics na and everybody heal. They know now na how to heal natural because everybody are very intelligent. We are 7 dimension. We are very matatalino. We are very intelligent and we need to know our body mechanics, no? How to heal natural. International na po yan, tinuturo na po. We need to understand lang, no? And have a nice day. Stay low carb. Eat high protein and high fat. Moderate your carbohydrates and study about the macronutrient kasi yun po yung basic ng ginamit ko and the international food of low carb nutrition guide. So, buha pati, kain tayo. Mamaya ko pa ito kakainin. Sabi ng brain ko, kainin ko, pero sabi ng ng stomach ko, baliktad. Sabi ng stomach ko, kainin ko, pero sabi ng brain ko, wag. Habaan mo pa yung fasting mo. So, I prepare now. I will drop my son to school. Kumain na po siya ng egg first and hotdog. Then, kumain po siya ng one bread. So, it's okay like that. Turuan po natin yung mga kids na kumain. First, protein, no? Bago yung mga high carbs na gustong-gusto nila, no? And moderate po natin yung mga juices and biscuit nila dahil that is a lot of glucose. That's why your kids have very hyper and allergy, flu, and we need to pakilala natin yung mga pagkain, no? Yung hindi nila kilala. Paulit-ulit, 15 times papakilala kasi they ayaw. Sasabihin nila ayaw. Pero ipakita mo 15 times. May broccoli, may carrots, ganun. What else? May chicken, may egg, no? Bacon, ano pa? Yung, sige, mga mura. Isda, yan. Mga sardines, yan. Best omega. Yung buto po kainin nyo, that is the high po yun sa calcium. Kung gusto nyo po ng calcium, sardines po ang kainin. Huwag po milk. Kasi milk is high carbs po. No? Minsan nagbo-bloated kayo or something. Hindi nyo maintindihan. Tanggalin nyo po yung milk. Kasi that is sugar. No? And that's it. So, stay low carb. Have a nice day.